Okay, guys. Uh, uh, some bad weather just happened. There's some really heavy wind. Uh, there's really heavy rain. And there's thunder and lightning. I want to show you what the damage did. And the pool we just bought, it's flooded. And also, look. Huh. You see that pole right there? That was literally shaking, guys. Now, I'm gonna show you what the real damage did. I actually have a picture of it, but I want to show it to y'all on camera right now. So, I'm walking through the backyard. The leaves are dripping because it just rained. So, I'm about at the tree branches. Okay, now we are here. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Wait, what the heck? Like, guys, look at this. Look at these tree branches. They ripped off. Hold on. Let me zoom in. Like, guys, bro, look at those trees. And guys, that's it for me. I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.